Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Chrome is updated, because newer builds fix ad blocking gaps. Open Menu, Help, About, and wait for the update. Once done, choose whether you'll use Chrome's built-in pop-up blocker, adjust site settings, or install an extension. Each option has trade-offs. Make sure you're signed in so your settings sync. Then open the main menu and go to Settings. This is where you'll take the first actionable steps to block ads effectively. Now you tighten control. Open Settings, Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, set pop-ups and redirects to block. Next, consider blocking JavaScript on untrusted sites because many ads rely on it. Whitelist sites you trust. If you chose an extension, search the Chrome Web Store, pick a top-rated blocker, install it, and enable strict filter lists. Disable any built-in acceptable ads option. Make sure extension permissions are limited. This reduces intrusive ads while preserving necessary site features. Finish by restarting Chrome and clearing cache and cookies so new settings and extensions apply cleanly. Then test by visiting several sites and a known ad-heavy page. You should see fewer or no ads. If content breaks, make sure to whitelist the site or temporarily allow scripts. If ads persist, disable extensions one at a time to spot a conflict or check site settings for overrides. A key troubleshooting tip: try incognito with only your ad blocker enabled to isolate causes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.